Okay? Then this one. 1, 2. It depends. If it's thick, make it 3. Okay? One, two, three. Okay? See? If we will blow dry this one after. Huh? You see? Can you see the layer? You see it's soft, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like it's not even there. Then watch me to finish this one. So you will know how my hands go, okay? No, it's okay. It's okay. So every layer, the degree also go up, okay? So now, hold my deal. So now in the middle, see? Huh? The other side. Make it straight like this. Always may depend on the head of client. See? Next, here, here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Wait. So now wet up. Hold. So here, this is very the hair is tangled always. See, this one is too thick. Wait. You see, it's like right. So if you cannot get the like this, you see my hand. And then this one. Two cut only, 2 cut. See? It depends on the layering of the hair. Don't let your client make too much the hair, yeah? Because you cannot cut like this one. You cannot get. Okay? Another one.